Injectafer lawsuits are being filed across the country by people who received Injectafer iron replacement shots and suffered hypophosphatemia injuries, or HPP. Injectafer is a prescription iron replacement drug that is administered by injection for people who suffered from iron deficiency anemia and are unable to take oral iron supplements. Injectafer was the first intravenous drug for iron supplementation in the U.S. to use a unique compound called FCM. Although it was initially believed to be safe, soon after the release of Injectafer, it was discovered that FCM causes a condition called hypophosphatemia, or HPP. HPP is an electrolyte disturbance that causes an abnormally low level of phosphate in the patient's blood. HPP can lead to serious medical complications, including cardiac arrest, respiratory failure, and rhabdomyolysis. The causal link between Injectafer and HPP has been conclusively established by a series of scientific research studies dating back to 2015. The manufacturer of Injectafer has known about this link to HPP for a long time and failed to adequately warn doctors or patients. Since about 2019, a steady stream of Injectafer lawsuits have been filed by individuals who developed HPP from Injectafer and suffered serious health consequences. Our firm is actively seeking new cases from anyone who developed HPP or suffered adverse health consequences after receiving Injectafer injections.